Is this the end of art? Sounds dramatic, right? But with AI evolving faster than ever, this question is way more relevant than you think it is. On one side, we have Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, leading one of the most powerful AI revolutions in human history. On the other, critics like Hayao Miyazaki and Elon Musk. Miyazaki calls AI generated art an insult to life. Musk warns AI is dangerous. So who's right? Let's face it, AI is changing the way we live, work, and even create. But not all is excitement and progress. Many AI systems use existing content, paintings, music, writing, created by real people, often without asking permission. These artists spend years, sometimes decades, perfecting their art style, but an AI can mimic it in seconds, and the original artist gets nothing, no credit, no recognition. Take Studio Ghibli. Hayao Miyazaki spent a lifetime crafting emotional, hand drawn stories that human touch, the pain, the joy, the imperfections can now be replicated by an algorithm that doesn't even understand emotion. Many of these models scrape data from the internet that could include your artwork, your face, even your voice. Some reports, even some YouTubers claim that these tools may use your data without your knowledge. It's hard to confirm all of it, but the possibility is real enough to worry about. Now, flip to the positive side. But let's not ignore the benefits. AI isn't just stealing art, it's also helping people create, learn, and grow. Need to organize your life, write a script, or even design a website? AI has got your back. It can be a powerful assistant, especially for people without access to expensive tools or teams. I'm an Indian creator, and like many others here, I've started using AI to speed up my creative process. There's a YouTuber called Dhruv Rathi, again not sponsored, who released an amazing course on how to use ChatGPT and other AI tools to supercharge your work. But with great power comes, yeah, you know the rest. AI's growth is explosive but also unregulated in many ways. There's no global rule book. Some AIs are being trained on copyrighted songs, books, and paintings. Artists aren't always aware their work is being used, and that opens up an ethical minefield. So, is this the end of art, or is it the beginning of a new kind of creativity where human and machine work together? Maybe AI will never replace the heart of human artist, but the truth is, it's already started with changing the art world, whether you like it or not. What do you think? Is AI stealing from artists, or is it just another evolution in how we create? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or liked it, please make sure to subscribe and like.